You can make lots of money here on YouTube with just your smartphone and from the comfort of your home. This is me telling you this from experience. I make money on YouTube every single month. I mean, real money. You earn in dollars. If you're in Nigeria, when you change it, you know that you're earning something sustainable. Earning in dollars is the goal. And here on YouTube, it is one of the best way for you to make money. So I saw a comment, somebody was like, only starting up a YouTube channel is difficult. See, if you want to make money, if you want to make real money, sustainable money, it doesn't come easy. It requires hard work. But when it comes to making money on YouTube, your hard work is gonna pay. Like, there's an assurance that your hard work will pay. And so because some of you are finding this difficult, I've decided to give you in this video 10 best niches that you can go into, and it is best for beginners. 10 best niches that you can go into. Making videos under these niches are easy, not as difficult as a whole others. They are easy and they have top searches. I mean, ensure you watch this video to the very end. Here I'm sharing with you guys again 10 best YouTube niches that you can go into. Start making videos under these niches and you're guaranteed to get monetized faster. You're guaranteed to make loads of money. The first niche on my list is the MMO niche, which is the make money online niche. Now the MMO niche, it is a niche that has high search results. People are always searching for how to make money online, how to make money online. It is a niche that doesn't require you to do much. It is not too techie as in, it is easy to create videos around make money online with your phone. You can start by, oh, you understand affiliate marketing, you teach people how to make money online through affiliate marketing. You can go join Amazon affiliate marketing, Jumia affiliate marketing, practicalize it. You can start up a channel where you teach people how to make money online. You can teach them how to make money online from home. Like, you can create loads of content under this niche, a whole lot. You can never run out of ideas when it comes to make money online. But just ensure that you're not, just lying to people. You're giving them, tangible ways of making money from the online space. It is a niche that has high RPM and high CPM, telling you that you're going to make loads of money and it can easily get monetized because people are always searching for videos under this niche. You're guaranteed to get loads of views and get your channel monetized faster. Niche number 2 is YouTube growth and monetization niche. This particular niche, YouTube growth and monetization niche, because people know that yes, money can be made on YouTube. They are always searching for how to make money on YouTube, how to start a YouTube channel, how to get monetized on YouTube fast, how to start up a Facebook. You can see that the list is endless. It has high search margin, it has high traffic. People are always searching for how to get monetized on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube. So this is a niche that you can go into. If you understand content creation, you can go into this niche. Just like this channel, the 10xpreneur, it is all about how to grow on YouTube, how to monetize YouTube, and also how to make money online, right? So you can say that this is something you can go into if you understand how to create content. If you're a content creator, trust me, this can be the best niche for you. Dive into it right now. Start creating videos, start putting it out. Trust that you will get views. In as much as you're editing your videos properly, you're taking into note your SEO, you're gonna get views, and before you know it, your channel can get monetized. Niche number 3 is the finance niche, or you can call it the money management niche and even investment niche. They are all under finance. Anything that has to do with money is always hotly in demand. The finance niche is a profitable niche and you can get monetized ASAP. You can create videos on how to make money as a student, how to invest. I mean, go check channels that are talking about investment, how to invest, how to do. When it comes to investment, the CPM and the RPM is high, and their videos get loads of views because people are searching. How can I make money online if I invest 1,000? You can start making videos around the finance and investment niche. You're definitely going to make money. Here on YouTube, people are searching for those type of content. Especially even in Nigeria, I don't think there are a lot of channels doing that. If you know you are knowledgeable in this particular field, I mean, start creating videos around it. You see yourself making money. Your channel can even get monetized within 2 months. Hey, I'm not even capping. I know a lady that's into this niche. If you go to her channel, loads of views. You'll be seeing 100,000 views, 900,000. They always get views. Imagine 900,000 views. Do you know how many dollars they are making on that video? Do you know? Don't sleep on this. The 4th niche is mini importation business. Yeah, I have a channel where I talk about importation. I know there is a high search for it. People want to start importing stuff from China, from Turkey, from US, from UK, from blah. People want to go into importation. Importation is a profitable niche. I mean, if you understand importation, be it China, be it Turkey, Bangladesh, UK, you can start creating content around importation. China is a whole lot. If you understand how to use 1688, how to translate the site, it is a niche that can make you, you know, to be known, that can, you know, make you to have views fast and monetize your channel fast. The niche number 5 is one I love so much, which is social media marketing, or you can say social media marketing stroke digital marketing. You see this particular niche, it is an evergreen niche. It is an evergreen niche. People are looking for how to run ads on Facebook, how to run ads on WhatsApp, how to make sales online. I mean, if you understand this, you can start creating content under it. I'm a social media marketing coach, so I understand social media marketing to a very good extent. Don't worry, on this channel I'm going to drop videos on that. So if you know you understand this, or you have idea on it, you mustn't be perfect. You mustn't be a professional before you start making videos around it. That is something you don't understand. You feel, oh, you must be a professional. No, if it's Facebook ads, you understand, start making videos around Facebook ads, and then you do more research about Instagram ads, selling online, you know, WhatsApp. See, you can actually make money from this particular niche because it is evergreen, and you're not just making this video for the Nigerian community. People are proud, and you know that when people from outside of Nigeria, like the US, UK, Canada, when they watch your video, you get more money. I'm going to explain this later. You get more money because you are watching from these top tier countries. I don't know if you get me. This niche is one you should consider: social media marketing or digital marketing. If you have an idea on it, start making video. You do more research. You can't go out of ideas when it comes to creating content around social media marketing. Channel number 6 is tech review. Now this one definitely is not for everybody because not everybody can afford gadgets that they'll be reviewing and unboxing, but you already know that it is a profitable niche. Think of Misteki, think of Fisayo, Fosudo. This is their niche, and you know they make money not just from Google AdSense. They make money through what? Brand collaboration. In fact, I can even tell you that they make more money through brand collaboration than they make through the YouTube partnership program itself. Because see, when you start unboxing and reviewing different tech products, other people that are into tech or other companies that sell different tech products want to collaborate with you, especially when you start getting those views. When they see that you are getting those views, you're getting that traffic, they would want to collaborate with you, and they pay a whole lot. So they can give you gadgets, this top gadget, you know, they will give you gadget to review, and that gadget is yours. So this one maybe not for everybody because it can be a bit expensive, but if you want to go into it, you can start from very small, you know, affordable tech products, like even microphone. You can do an unboxing video, unbox this product and review it. Yes, it's a tech product. You can do an unboxing video. Any gadget you buy or your friend buy, you just take it from there and tell her you want to do unboxing and review. You talk about the product. That's it. That's how you start a channel on this particular niche. You can't be Fisayo Fosudo just in one night, because if you go back to Fisayo's channel, you go back to when he started with very affordable gadgets, very affordable gadgets. In fact, sometimes he talks about this gadget without even having it present, so you can actually do review without having the gadget. You can just be using screenshot that you will get online. You can just be using screenshots or the pictures of the product. You do your review, you start getting views. This particular niche, you get lots of views because people are interested in different gadgets, and before they buy gadget, they usually come online to search for reviews about this product before they buy. So you can actually start your channel around tech review and unboxing. Niche number 7 is cooking. Yeah, cooking. You already know that it is a profitable niche, especially these local dishes. You know the way people love, I mean, go to these channels that create content around cooking. You would know what I'm talking about. They get lots of views. Just create a video how to make the best chin-chin, the best Christmas chin-chin. This is the season. How to make chin-chin. People are watching, people that don't know how to make it and they want to try it for the first time, they are watching videos how to make. Oh my god, this is a profitable niche. At the time, yeah, I wanted to go into this niche, just that I know that I'm always busy. I don't know if I'll have time to be, because I love to cook, I love to mix different things, and you know, I just love it. Maybe sometime in the future, I'm even considering it again. I might go into this niche. It is something that you can do from your kitchen, you can do from your home. It doesn't require you to do any extra. If you want to make oha soup, you can just set your camera, set your tripod. How to make oha soup, that is a content. It is not difficult. You want to cook for your family, just make sure you capture it. That is your content. You can see how easy this particular niche niche is, it is easy to make. That's why I told you guys that these niches are easy. It is easy to make, and it gets loads of you. How to make oha soup, how to make banga soup, you want to make banga soup, how to make local abacha, nkwobi. You have a sewu. Very simple. You already have a video. You don't need to set lighting, set camera, sit down and stop talking, facing camera. No, you might not even show your face if you don't want to. How to make akara, how to make foil moi moi, how to wrap. This is a profitable niche. Now that I'm even saying it, you can see the joy I'm using to explain this particular one, because it is something I have considered going into several times, but I'm just looking at my timing. So this is a niche you can go into. You're going to make money. If you're a stay-home mom, if you're a stay-home mom, don't sleep on this particular niche. You're frying chips for your kids. This is content. How to make pap. It is content. Go on YouTube now and type how to make my money. You will see videos with lots of views, hundreds of thousands and even millions of views on just one video. Do you know how much they are raking in? Do you know how much they are making from those videos? Stop sleeping, stop dulling. The next niche is gossip and entertainment news. Gossip and what? Entertainment news. This is a niche that you can do faceless. If you want to, you mustn't show your face. This is a niche that rakes in millions of views. I have a friend that is into this niche. I have a friend that is into this niche. Her videos are always millions, hundreds of thousands of views. They do celebrity gist and top 10. That's what she does. She say top 10 richest celebrities in Nigeria, top 10 richest celebrities in the world. She does a whole lot of celebrity and gossip kind of content. They rake in views, and that is how they make their money. And these videos are not too difficult to create. I said it earlier, you can create faceless videos on this. You don't need to show your face. You can just be talking about a particular celebrity and you put their pictures, different pictures on the screen, and that's it. Use your voice over, or you can even use AI voice to create these videos. They are not difficult. Gossip and entertainment news. I know you yourself, you've been consuming content on this on YouTube. Start creating your own so that people will watch and you make money. Start creating your own videos so that people will watch. Don't say, oh, I don't have the best camera. You don't need to have the best camera for this particular one. You can do it faceless. If you want me to create like an example of it, because that my friend that has that channel, I was the one that taught her. I was the one that taught her, but the money she didn't make, I'm not saying it. I know they make them. So I can make like a full tutorial and show you guys how to make such kind of videos if you want to. That is, if you want to, just leave it for me in the comment section and I will take my time to create that video for you. The next on my list is relationship and life advice. Relationship kind of content. That's the niche, right? Relationship niche, life advice. I know you've seen such videos. Sometimes I usually go to YouTube and I ask how to be disciplined, because sometimes I'll just be doing things. You see lots of videos with, you'll not be wondering, so people are actually searching for this. They get lots of views and they are easy to create. Most of the ones I've watched, they are faceless, no face, just animations and then write up. Just animations and write up. You can see how easy it is, right? You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You don't have to. Relationship, how to know red flags to notice in a relationship, how to know if it's gonna be your husband or not, how to know if it's gonna propose or not, how to know if it's gonna do this. People love those kind of videos. I mean, youth, mostly youth, they love those kind of content. You are going to flood your channel, you're going to get views. Do you understand? So please don't dull. We are about entering 2026. Make up your mind, start practicing, make up your mind so you can start ASAP. Last on my list today is real estate, apartment store tips on how to buy land. This is under what? Real estate. You can start creating content. I know a guy that is creating content around house store. He's into real estate and he takes you, this is what 5.5 million naira per annum rent will get you in Ikoyi. This is what, he just does that kind of house store and he gets loads of views. People love watching those kind of videos. So if you know you're into real estate, this is an opportunity for you to create content with those houses you're always touring and make money while doing it. Extra money, because I know you already make money. What? Extra money from YouTube. Do you get me? So how to acquire land, legally, the right way. People are interested in this type of content. Do you get me? So these are niches that are easy to make, that get loads of views, and you can easily get your channel monetized fast. So you don't have any excuse whatsoever not to start up your YouTube channel. You don't have any excuse. So if you want to create your channel, there's a video I have on the screen right now that will show you how to create a channel, because if you're not creating your channel the right way, you might not get views. You need to know how to create this channel the right way so that you'll be able to attract people to your video or to your content. Watch this video you're seeing on the screen and I'll see you over there. I love you and I wish you all the best on your journey to making money on YouTube. I love you.